बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। चार इंतहाई आम बीजों के फ़वाइद। सबसे पहले चिया सीड्स, हाईली न्यूट्रिशियस, लोडेड विद एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स। चिया सीड्स आर आल्सो एन एक्सेलेंट सोर्स ऑफ एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, may support weight loss. The fiber and protein in chia seeds may benefit those trying to lose weight. May lower your risk of heart diseases. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s, consuming them may reduce your risk of heart disease. Contain many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. May reduce blood sugar levels. Consuming chia seeds may help with blood sugar regulation, possibly due to their fiber content and other beneficial compounds. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They taste rather bland, so you can add them to pretty much anything. Flax seeds may help in weight loss. Flax seeds are rich in many fibers and essential minerals and vitamins. They are also beneficial in weight loss. Many may manage diabetes symptoms. As per the WHO report, the diabetes rate is increasing among adults. Supplementing flax seeds can lower the risk of fasting blood sugar. If you experience any symptom of diabetes, such as feel thirsty all the time, have blurred vision, feel very dry, feeling tingling in hands and feet, then you can check the doctor. Flax seeds promote heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans contribute to lower the risk of factors that can cause heart disease, such blood cholesterol and high blood pressure. They aid in digestion. Many studies support the positive effects of flax seeds. Flax seeds benefits include cancer prevention due to omega-3 fatty acids, may help reduce skin inflammation, and can help reduce skin irritation since they are rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Help make skin and hair healthy. What makes flax beneficial for hair? The benefits of flax seeds for hair include making it shinier, stronger, and more damage resistant. Flax seeds are many beneficial for eating for men and women. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, iron, zinc, magnesium, etc. Pumpkin seeds are full of antioxidants. Some evidence suggests that pumpkin seeds may help prevent certain types of cancer. Pumpkin seeds may reduce symptoms of benign prostate enlargement and an overactive bladder. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium. Healthy magnesium levels are important for your blood pressure. Nutrients in pumpkin seeds may help keep your heart healthy by reducing blood pressure and increasing good cholesterol. Pumpkin seeds may help reduce blood sugar levels in people with 2 types and diabetes. Whole pumpkin seeds are a good source of fiber. The high zinc content of pumpkin seeds may help improve sperm quality and male fertility. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of tryptophan and magnesium, both of which help promote good sleep. Next, bhang ke beej या hemp seeds. Hemp seeds benefits. Protein to curb hunger. A serving of hemp seeds has almost 10 grams of protein, that more than an egg. Antioxidant omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty acids to protect skin and hair. Healthy fat and fiber to lower cholesterol. Linolenic acids to reduce PMS symptoms. ये हेम्प सीड्स जो होते हैं, ये अगर देखा जाए तो ये मेडिकल क्वालिटीज़ जिन चीज़ों में पाई जाती हैं, ये उस तरह की हलाल चीज़ों में शामिल की जाती हैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत सारी ऐसी दवाइयों में इस्तेमाल होती है जो बंदे की सेहत के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेरी वीडियो एंड होने को है। थैंक्स।